Goodbye tingling hands and weak legs, and because today we're fixing them from the inside out. If your hands keep going numb, your legs feel shaky, or every step feels heavier than it used to, listen closely. It's not just old age when it's your body's way of saying, I'm running low on something vital. And no, it's not a fancy supplement or an expensive treatment. It's something much simpler, and it starts right on your plate. Today, I'll show you 8 collagen-rich snacks that can ease tingling, strengthen weak legs, and bring life back to your joints and nerves. Naturally, they're delicious, easy, and backed by solid science. So stay with me till the end. And if you love feeling stronger every day, don't forget to subscribe to Golden Life Health, where we share the best natural ways to age with power and grace. Dark chocolate midnight clusters. Yes, you heard that right. Chocolate, but not the sugary, milky kind. We're talking about real dark chocolate, the one that's rich, slightly bitter, and full of natural compounds your body craves, according to Dr. William Lee, one of the top researchers on how food heals the body. Dark chocolate with 80% cacao or more can actually help boost collagen and protect your DNA from damage. That means fewer wrinkles, better joints, and stronger nerves. Dark chocolate is packed with flavonols and proanthocyanidins, fancy names but powerful little molecules. They help your body create new stem cells, reduce inflammation, and support healthy blood flow, all of which make your hands steadier and your legs stronger. Here's how you make your own collagen-boosting treat. Melt 1 ounce of dark chocolate. Stir in a handful of roasted almonds and a teaspoon of dried goji berries. Spoon it into small clusters, chill until firm, and enjoy. The chocolate feeds your cells with antioxidants. The almonds give your body the amino acids it needs to make collagen, and the goji berries add vitamin C to help your body use all those nutrients. It's delicious, indulgent, and quietly repairing your joints and nerves, one bite at a time. Gelatin fruit nibbles. This one's like a childhood favorite, but with a powerful adult benefit. Most people think of gelatin as just jiggly dessert, but it's actually pre-digested collagen your body can absorb right away. It's full of glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline, amino acids your body needs to rebuild cartilage, joints, and even nerve coverings. Studies show that taking gelatin regularly can reduce joint pain by over 30%, especially for older adults. And here's the fun part. You can make it at home, no fancy equipment needed. Warm a cup of unsweetened juice, cherry or pomegranate work great, and dissolve 2 tablespoons of plain gelatin in it. Stir, pour into molds, chill, and you've got collagen nibbles that taste amazing and heal from within. Add berries for vitamin C and a few nuts for healthy fats. Every bite helps your tissues repair, your joints move easier, and that stiffness that makes mornings rough slowly fade away. Small, simple, but deeply powerful. Chicken bone broth. Bites bone broth is ancient medicine in a cup. For generations, people have used it to heal from the inside, and now science proves why. When you simmer chicken bones slowly for hours, the collagen inside turns into gelatin your body can easily absorb. That means smoother joints, stronger ligaments, and nerves that can fire properly again. You don't need anything fancy. Just toss leftover bones, onion, carrot, celery, a splash of vinegar, and water into a pot. Let it simmer for 8 hours, strain and cool. As it chills, it'll form a soft gel, your homemade collagen booster. Even half a cup a day can make a difference, easing stiffness, reducing tingling, and giving your legs more strength. It's comfort food that actually fixes what hurts. Warm, soothing, and made right in your own kitchen. Cantaloupe mint bites. When people talk about collagen, they often forget the one vitamin your body can't make collagen without: vitamin C. That's why cantaloupe, one of the most refreshing fruits on earth, deserves a daily spot on your plate, especially if you're over 60 and want your joints and nerves to stay strong. Just 1 cup of sweet cantaloupe gives you nearly 2/3 of your daily vitamin C needs. That means every bite is quietly helping your body rebuild collagen, easing stiffness in your knees, hips, or fingers. Here's a quick and tasty way to enjoy it. Cut ripe cantaloupe into small cubes. Squeeze a little lime juice over it, toss in chopped mint leaves, and sprinkle some crushed pistachios on top. It's cool, colorful, and gives your body everything it needs: hydration, antioxidants, and collagen support. Make it part of your morning or evening snack routine. Within weeks, you'll start feeling lighter, more flexible, and just younger from the inside out. Sometimes, the sweetest medicine really does come from nature's simplest gifts. Tomato caprese salad. Snack. The tomato, one of the most common foods in your kitchen, hides a secret. It's actually a collagen protector. Tomatoes are rich in vitamin C and lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that shields the collagen you already have from breaking down. That means firmer skin, smoother joints, and less inflammation. Here's how you can turn tomatoes into a collagen-boosting delight. Slice fresh tomatoes and layer them with mozzarella cheese, or avocado if you want a dairy-free option. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and sprinkle a little sea salt and basil leaves on top. Let it sit for a few minutes so the flavors mix beautifully. It's fresh, simple, and incredibly powerful. Olive oil helps your body absorb the lycopene, while the vitamin C in tomatoes helps make new collagen. One small plate a day can make a big difference. Softer joints, fewer aches, and a stronger, steadier feeling when you move. Guava Power Yogurt Bowl Guava might not get the spotlight it deserves, but it's one of the strongest natural collagen boosters on Earth. Just one guava gives you more vitamin C than 4 oranges. And if your legs feel weak or your hands tingle more often than they used to, it might be your body asking for this fruit. To make a powerful guava bowl, chop a ripe guava into small cubes. Mix it with plain Greek yogurt. Add a drizzle of honey and a squeeze of lime, then top it with almonds or walnuts. This combination is magic. The vitamin C from guava builds collagen, the protein from yogurt repairs tissues, and the healthy fats from nuts calm inflammation. Each spoonful helps you regain strength, balance, and comfort in your joints. And bonus, it tastes amazing. Healing doesn't need to be bitter. It can be sweet, smooth, and full of life. Kiwi Crunch Snack. Here's a little green powerhouse that can transform your collagen health. Kiwi. Just 2 or 3 a day flood your body with vitamin C, helping it produce collagen that keeps your joints strong and your nerves firing properly. Slice a kiwi. Sprinkle some toasted walnuts or almonds on top. And if you like a kick, add a tiny pinch of chili flakes. The healthy fats from nuts feed your cells, and the vitamin C does the repair work. This quick, tangy snack not only helps with collagen, but also supports digestion, circulation, and overall energy. Make it your afternoon habit and say goodbye to that dull weakness or tingling that keeps holding you back. Pineapple nut bites last but not least. Pineapple. This tropical fruit isn't just refreshing. It's loaded with bromelain, an enzyme that calms inflammation and helps your body heal faster. Combine that with its high vitamin C content, and you've got a natural collagen-supporting snack that helps reduce stiffness and strengthens your joints from within. Just mix fresh pineapple chunks with macadamia nuts or cashews. Add a dash of cinnamon and a few mint leaves for flavor, and you've got a crunchy, refreshing treat that works wonders for your body. Enjoy it a few times a week, and you'll start to notice your legs feel steadier. Your hands feel stronger, and your energy begins to return. That's what real nourishment does. It heals from the inside out. So, there you have it. 8 simple but powerful collagen-rich snacks that can truly change how you feel. Dark chocolate clusters, gelatin fruit bites, bone broth, cantaloupe mint cubes, tomato caprese salad, guava yogurt bowl, kiwi crunch, and pineapple nut bites. Each one feeds your body the real building blocks it needs to stay active, strong, and independent, especially after 60. Even adding 1 or 2 of these every day can make a real difference. Because it's not about eating less, it's about eating smarter. And before you go, my friend, if you found this video helpful, please tap that like button, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe to Golden Life Health for more natural, science-backed tips to keep your body strong, your mind sharp, and your heart full of energy. Stay healthy, stay happy, and I'll see you in the next one.